Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be trying out a face mask today, okay? So I normally get these in the mail, so I just wanted to try this one out because this one looked kind of unique and it was like different from all the other ones I've been getting. So before we get in this video, make sure you push that like button, comment down below, and subscribe, okay? Period. So y'all, don't look at this hair because it is so dry. I tried everything to put stuff in it and it's not working. So y'all, that's why I look dry and matted. I had it up in a ponytail, but I took it down. It will be coming down before Valentine's Day, so y'all have to worry about that. But let's normalize normalcy, okay? We don't have to always come on here snatched and beautified with makeup and long nails, okay? Let me get the face mask and show y'all what we about to try today. So we are going with this, and this one is called Holler and Glow. Y'all pretty much probably already know what it is. It says Go for Golden Gold Glitter Hydrogel Face Mask, enriched with colloidal gold, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. I don't know them fucking words, but it's like a brightening face mask. So that's what we're going with today. It says Brightening Gold Glitter Hydrogel Face Mask. Get set to sparkle every day. Shade from shimmering hydrogel. This face mask is swirling gold glitter enriched with refreshing colloidal gold, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to depuff and brighten. Okay. You be gone, babe. Okay, we'll see. Instructions for use is thoroughly cleanse and tone your skin. Open the pouch and remove films from both sides of the mask. Apply the mask to your face and smooth out any air bubbles with your fingers. Wear the mask for 20 to 30 minutes and peel off slowly from the edges. Gently massage remaining essence into your skin. So I already washed my face. I'm about to go in with my toner, and y'all already know I love my thickest scent enhanced witch hazel, and this is the hydrating toner with rose water. Just gonna take me some wipes. I don't have no cloths at the moment or no little things that you wipe with the toner. We are just going to be opening it up. This is what it looked like. Oh my god, it got like gold sparkles in it. Comes with the mouth one and then a face one. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, they need to come out like, oh my gosh, with like a lotion that smells like this. This stuff smells so good. Oh my gosh. This is so cold. It feels so good too. Y'all, I got a mirror right here. That's what I'm looking at, so I can see what I'm doing. I'm about to put my little wrap on so my hair don't get in the way, because it's annoying. Don't mind my edges, y'all. That I'm like so freaking slippery. So be careful, y'all, because I do not want to rip this stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so jelly. It's so cold too. Oh my gosh, y'all. I can really use this at a spa. Come on, y'all. We gotta put this up here. Like so. They should have just made this stuff all in one. This is so crazy. So, it says let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna put on my timer and then I will be back. So you guys, 30 minutes have been up. We gotta take this shit off our face because this shit is kind of burning. So yeah, y'all, I'm kind of bummed out because it don't have as much product as the other ones have. So yeah, it's like kind of dry. It don't have like, so I can't really, you know, rub anything in because this is like drier than all the other ones. So I don't know, but it is cold and it feels good and it's like sticky. It's like that elf grip primer. That's what it feels like. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I see a little sparkles over here in the mirror. So y'all, we love gold, so I'm sparkling. I see sparkles on me. But that was it. Comment down below and tell me if y'all see a difference. Do y'all see brightening or don't y'all? Okay, I think my face is clearing up a little bit. I've been trying to get in a good skincare routine and eat healthy, and you know, drink that water because water is good. Put it off my face because I notice like when I wear hair and stuff be all on my face. I don't want it to break out. This is the finished results. Like I said, it's not like all the other face masks that it be having like all the products like in the pack where you can rub it, but it does feel soft though. Not gonna lie about that. I will be using more face masks, so if y'all recommend any face masks that y'all use, like sheet mask or anything like that, just comment down below. I normally see these at like Ulta, Walmart, like in the face care aisle. I will be picking me up some more for my face. I can clear up. Okay, I gave a review all in one. So my review is, I like this, but it don't have enough like stuff that comes in there so it can like rub on your face. It just go halfway, and then it has like 2 pieces that I don't like. It should have just been a whole face mask because down here is like dry and up here is like soft. So I get this face mask like a 3 out of 5. So yeah, that's my honest review, and we tested out. So we're gonna try some more. We'll be back on another video to try out some more. We are all finished with this video. Make sure you push that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.